Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an array, which is concatenation of an array. It is in LeetCode 1929. In this question you just have to do the concatenation of this nums with this num also, means you just have to do the concatenation of this numbers. Okay, so means you have to do this for 2 times. First, this is a vector int, means this is a function type vector int. You just have to return the vector. So first you have to create the vector int answer and traverse through the nums. For int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus. You just have to push back the nums of I into it. Okay, so nums dot push back nums of I. You just have to do it once again. You just have to do it, control C and control V, and after that you just have to return the answer. Let's run it whether this code is running properly or not. Yeah, this is running fine. So let's submit this code. Yeah, this is submitted. Thank you for watching.